If you're a drift enthusiast in America, then you owe everything to cars like these AE86s. The owner of this car is legendary in the AE86 world. I know him as Haymaker because that's his name on Instagram, but even before Instagram, it was on all the forums. And he's ran all kinds of cool stuff in his car, and now he's got a Honda engine, and I was talking to him about blow-off valves, and this is probably my favorite thing I've seen or heard. He made his own little whistle tip there for the blow-off valve. Oh, so rad. It is August 6th, which is 8.6 Day here in the US, and so that's what we're getting together with a bunch of A86s and other Kyushu cars, but also the new Age 86, which I still have mixed feelings about calling them 86s, but they are really good cars. I'm talking about these guys, the BRZ, FRS, GT86, GR86. These are really good cars for stance, for style, for drifting, for motorsports. And, you know, these are an affordable car that you can get into. So they are good cars. It's just weird being an A86 enthusiast and having these at, you know, 8.6 Day meets when before it used to just be our, you know, crappy old Corollas. The meet today is at Cafe 86 here in Phoenix. And this is pretty cool. They do different car meets and car show things here because it's a, well, the 86 it is true themed for 86s. So we've got cars like this here, which is a turbocharged. Got a pretty cool turbocharged car. We've got a good mix of stance cars, show cars, street cars, race cars. This is another legendary A86 in the local scene here. I know this guy as Pizza Chris because he really did deliver pizzas in this back in the day in high school and in college, I think. And he's been running this strong 16-valve 4AG in this thing for years. He's telling me he's just barely getting around to start building another one. But he's even running little itty 13-inch wheels on this car. And probably one of the one of my favorite things about this is the leopard print dash cover. Yeah. And even though this is an 8.6 meet, we have some GR Corollas, some Supras, some other non-8.6 cars here because, well, we're all car enthusiasts and that's fine. And even though this isn't an A86 and it's a super rad Kyushu car with the throbbing heart of America in it, turbocharged Ford 5.0 high output. And this car is fast. There are 4 A86s here. So there's mine, there's Haymakers, there's Pizza Chris, and there's another one over here. Let me show you this one real quick. This is a Beams 3S GE swapped A86, and it's really clean. This is a great looking car. It's got a Link ECU, pretty much all the standard stuff, you know, panic made harness. I think this is a JDM rear bumper on this too. Just a really good, clean Corolla. He's working on getting air conditioning in it, so he and I are talking about that because I have AC working in my car. Here's my 8.6 Project Cream Puff. Beams 3S GE, panic made ITBS, panic made harness, Link ECU, lots of bits and bobs from JSP Fab. So we've got the JSP Fab coolant overflow, an oil catch can, the JSP Fab radiator brackets, coil rad, air conditioning, all that good stuff. Why's the bumper off?
I was showing him how it connects.
Oh.
My J-plug bumper.
Oh, cool. Okay.
He didn't buy it. He traded it for it. Yeah. I like that. Yeah.
Got to show off all the fancy stuff and the fanciest Corolla here.
This was a super fun chill meet where I got to see some old friends, make some new ones. I decided to put the camera down and just enjoy being there, enjoy the car, so it's a short video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.